everybody, welcome to this Strength with B training, and we're going to be doing a 20 minutes workout session that we're going to improve our endurance and strength. My name is Belkys Barrios. I am a step-up trainer and I'm happy for you to join me today. For this workout session, we're going to use one kettlebell. Use a weight that can allow you to perform the 12 sets without compromising your form. And if you have a mat or yoga mat under you to protect your knees, that also we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing 4 exercises in total without stopping. And we're going to repeat that exercise, 4 exercises, 2 rounds. Each exercise will be with 12 reps, each of them. We're going to focus on essential movements, squat, hips, squat, deadlifting, overhead, and also push and pull movements. We're going to have our best to join this session, and please, we're going to start with our dynamic stretch. First, we're going to place ourselves in lunge position, knee in the floor, and we're going to stretch overhead, reach the sky. Then the same one, front, stretch. Feel that stretch in your mid-back, in your lats, in your glutes. You will feel it. Breathe. 2 more. Very good. You'll feel very good, especially in your mid-back. Breathe. Very good. Now we're going to the floor in the same position. We're going to make circles with our legs. We're going to rotate them so we can open those hips, especially our hip flexors. Very good. Remember always to breathe. We're going to change leg. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, and very good. Now we're going to stretch our shoulders. We're going to have this position and then release it up. We're going to put everything in. Really, you probably will feel this one is in your shoulders, in your back, and up. Breathe in and breathe up. Very good. Now we're going to stand up. Let's shake it. Shake everything up. Very good. Let's shake everything. And now let's start with our first exercise. Remember, we're going to be doing 4 exercises. We're going to repeat that exercise 12 times, and then we're going without rest between them, and then we're going to rest 2 minutes, and we're going to move to the second round of the 4 exercise. We're going to start with a shoulder press. Place yourself in this position, your knee, if you have something under you so you can protect your knees. We're going to be doing overhead. Use a weight that allows you to complete the 12 reps. And we're going to do this. Going up, breathe. 2, we're going to do it 12. 3, come on. 4, very good. 5, 6, 7, very good. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The way how I'm gripping the kettlebell is placing my kettlebells like this, so it will be more easier for me to push it up. We're going to do the other side. If you have dumbbells, will be great. Just remember to use a weight that can allow you to complete the 12 reps, okay? 1 more time. Let's go. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, control the movement. 5, we're doing this together. 6, very good. 7, 8, 9, very good. 10, 11, and 12. Very good. Now we're going to pass to the other exercise. We're going to be doing front squats. Shoulder apart, put your dumbbells or the kettlebell in front of you, and we're going to be doing 12 squats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, very good. Boost your heels. 2, engage your core. Keep it neutral back. 4, let me turn around so you can see my form. 5, very good. 6, 7, good. 8, engage your core. 9, breathe in and breathe out. 10, 11, 12, 11, 12. Very good. Now that we have that the squat, we're going to pass with a deadlifted, okay? This one will be the same. Shoulder apart, back straight, looking down, and we're going to hinge our hips all the way back. Feel that stress in your hamstrings, and then pull it straight up. One more time. We're going to be doing 12. 2, very good. 3, I need you to control the movement. 12, 3, 4, sorry. 5, you're doing it great. 6, very good. 7, breathe. 8, come on. 9, great. 10, hinge your hips all the way back, okay? 11 and 12. Shake those legs. Now we're going to do a roll. For this roll, I will need you to do the lunge position. You're going to lean forward and then you're going to put it back, okay? For this roll, I will need you to really control the movement. I'm explaining now. I'm not doing the exercise yet. So you're going to have a neutral back, engage your core, and we're going to push the weight to us. I don't want to see this. No, I want you to make like an arc here, okay? Very good. Let's do it. 12 in each side. Let's go. 2, 3, and let's start. 1, control it. 2, 3, 4, maintain this very straight back. 6, very good. 7, come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Other side, the same position. Remember, straight back, leaning forward, like a lunge position, looking forward, looking down, and the same. 1, 2, very good. Engage your core, keep it straight back. Please control the movement. Don't do it so fast, okay? Do it slow. Feel those lats coming up and down. 7, very good. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Break 2 minutes. Try to stretch in this break. Drink water, exhale, and we have 2 minutes of rest. The point at this workout session is for you to really learn to control the movement. We are focusing on very easy movement for you to do it. Don't go so crazy. If you feel like that you can increase the weight, but remember to always use a weight that allows you to complete the 12 reps, okay? We still have 2 minutes, 1 minute. If you're feeling this in my shoulders and in my back, that feels great. Now, These 4 exercises that we just did, we're going to do them all again without no rest, okay? That will be fun. We can do this. Rest. Remember always to breathe in and breathe out. We need some oxygen in the blood, in our muscles, so we can continue putting more effort in our workout session. Remember always to engage your core, really have the core tight and control the movement. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder press at the same position, going down, and 1. You can do it like this also. 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, come on. 7, control it. 8, 9, 10, very good. 11 and 12. We're going to change other side, the same. 1. You can do this also with dumbbells if you have dumbbells. 3, 4, 5, very good. Engage your core. 6, straight back. 7, 8, very good. 9, 10, vamos. 11, last one, and 12. We're going with the row. We're going to the, which one was it? The squat, front squat. Come on. 3, 2, 1, shoulder apart, engage your core. Let's go. 1. You also can put it like this. 2, if you want to. 3, 4, come on. 5, 6, come on. 7, 8, 9, 10, come on. 11 and 12. If you're hearing pop of your knees, let me tell you that that's normal, okay? It's just the joints releasing some air over there. Now we're going to the deadlifted. Remember, shoulder apart, chest up, looking down, and we're going to hinge our back, our glutes back. 1, breathe. 2, I don't want this. Don't do this thing. Don't hyperextend it forward. Just keep your back straight and squeeze them, okay? 2, very good. 3, 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, come on. 8, 9, very good. 10, breathe in, breathe out. 11 and 12. Now we're going with the row. Come on. Non-stopping. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 1. Remember to engage those lats. Engage your core. 3, 4, 5, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9. If you can increase the weight, you can do it. 10, 11, 12. Other hand, you're allowed to increase the weight if you feel like. This is to challenge yourself, but without compromising the form. Chest up, looking down. 1, very good. 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, come on. And 10, 11, 12. Great. Woo. We have done a very great job so far. Let's wrap it up. We're almost there. We have that this 2 round. You're doing a great job. Keep going. 2, 2, 2. I like to dance when I am working out. I hope you also. Honey, darling, gentlemen, I'm happy that you're here. You wanted to improve your health, work it out together. I hope we can see you more. We're just resting, take some water, and we're coming back with our final one. You're doing it great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. You're doing a great job. Now we're going to cool down. This is our 2 rounds. We have finished, but let's cool down. Stretch the muscles so we can relax them and let them know that we have stopped it and the joints can really get more stronger, okay? We're going back to the floor. We're going to have a lunge position. The hand is in the side of my foot and we're open, okay? 2, 1, 2, very good. 3 and 4. Second, the same position. My hand is next to my foot. I'm reaching to the sky and descending, okay? You need to feel this one in your back. 2, 3, you will feel it very good. You can do this one also in your office when you're alone after a long day at the work. In the lunch break, you can do these stretchings. It's very good for your joints. Very good. We're going up. Shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. These ones. 5. Doing some joints stretching during your work is very good for your health, for your joints and muscle. It will release tension on them, so I do recommend you do these ones also after you finish your work, okay? Now your head to the side, stretch it. Remember always to breathe and release it. Changing, breathe and releasing. Very good. Thank you so much for joining on this lesson. Next session will be more harder, so that's a promise. If you don't have any kind of weight equipment, I really recommend you to have some kettlebells or some dumbbells so it can help you increase the challenge of the workout. So that's all that I have to say. Thank you so much for joining on this session. Take care. Un beso, un abrazo familia, cuídense. Take care. Bye.